Eh, sebentar kita dalam klinik instruktur Pak Assam. Enggak. Pawan. Instruktur babes tam jengi. But
हाँ
इंस्ट्रक्टर
मैंने भी किया है ना
बहुत अच्छा है ये इंस्ट्रक्टर बहुत अच्छा है मेरा फेवरेट तो क्या करिए यहाँ से कैसा जगह
बहुत बढ़िया
बहुत
बहुत
बढ़िया।
क्या मैं बोलूँ
अतुल्य है
अतुल्य अतुलनीय अविस्मरणीय
हाँ
हाँ मो
हाँ ता
हाँ तो
juru ngidon ini deep sap jengi babas nih babas oke deep sap ngidon ini ban komen sepangane ke jaka nice place oh mau pis musuh Khasi mah
and you are also amazing boy
oke hey ilora pisno kumno mau pipat ne jaka pisno kumno habe piwan sekene jaka
अच्छा लगा
ठीक है अच्छा है
बहुत अच्छा है मैं पीस मुथु खसी मां
क्या
मैं पीस मुथु खसी मां
उसके बाद क्या करेगा
अभी
हां
पता नहीं जहाँ लेके जाएंगे वहाँ चले जाएंगे
mau ma मैं पीस मुथु खसी मां खसी समझा मां खसी
मुझे कौन है
I'm with my friend Ratna
Inti
Inti he is from
Assam
which district
Karbi Anglong
Karbi Anglong
Yes.
okay he is my best friend
thank you
okay how was this place
the place is good but it's very small
it's very small
yeah.
right
Actually we have to go in Chandubi
Chandubi
but the guide are mislead us
mislead us na
yeah
oh. I think now we will go there
maybe I'm not sure
you are not
yes
sure
yes
okay hope we will go there ma
yeah
then we'll go there we'll enjoy
yeah
and
and yes here we didn't get anything
yeah
after moving from this place we'll have lunch in Chandubi
oh Chandubi
yeah
is there in the shop right there
yes
okay
somebody said there is a shop and hotel also
okay we'll eat there
yes
okay
uh,
now we are hungry right
huh?
now we are hungry right
Yeah, we are hungry. This morning we are not getting a good breakfast.
breakfast yeah
Yes, we got what is the name of that?
we got only Japri in Khasi we call Japri
Japri.
yeah
Yeah.
Japri we got in Khasi
In Hindi it's called Dalia.
Dalia
Yes.
oh that's
A
I'm
little
not
bit similar with khichdi.
Khachri na
Right.
I don't like that food na
Me too.
okay
Mm.
okay we'll go there and make some video okay
Right. Okay.
Jaka baong ka I love Chandubi Nrei kam da bus bharapat kam da lera ka jaka na yawan ka risni ka jaka kam da lera ay susit nga jaka nrei kam ler kapung rula adap khoy deki lotos sudah lepas ya Google kita nat jaka nrei pada da poy hajan pada kam lera ka jaka i kam lera berjuan ka risni sini kam lera ha tong ni wai ugai bawan po me khali ha ba ler ha tof bham ne ne ler kham ne ne ru ler ha te ning songbut hey again you reach here
Yeah.
again you reach here
We got here.
It's called Chandubi.
this is called
Chandubi.
Chandubi na
Yes.
okay what
Now
are
you have
you
to tell about the Chandubi.
you have to tell about Chandubi
After getting here, how do you feel?
when I reach here
Yes.
I feel better than that one place na
Which one?
yeah that
That waterfall.
waterfall yeah.
Yes.
But this it's little bit fine.
Yes.
You? What about you?
Me too. It's little bit fine, and nature is good here.
Yeah.
And just now we had roti
Ruti.
and
You have already done ruti.
yes,
Okay, how was it?
it was not nice, but bit what to say?
Little bit good.
Yeah.
Little bit good. Yeah. Do you take pork?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I want to take, but in a month I used to take one times only.
One time, sir.
Yeah, that's why last week I took. That's why today I didn't take pork.
You take pork?
Yeah.
No, okay. Then I think here, when I reach here, we will get some rice, but now we won't get rice, nah?
Yeah, this is my first time here, so I didn't know about the place here.
How far
Somebody
from...
said told me that when we get there, then it will be available for eating or some hotel. But after getting here, here it's not getting so much what we expect.
whatever we expect,
Yeah.
it's not happen, nah?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Most welcome.
Okay. Good. Good. It's good.
Yeah.
ये क्या है?